7.1 question பாருங்க. Example 7.1. A cylindrical drum has a height of 20 centimeter and a base radius of 14 centimeter. Find its curved surface area, that is CSA, and TSA, that is total surface area. So what is given? Cylindrical drum as, we can draw the shape of cylinder. Yes, it is a cylindrical drum. This is for radius. What is the radius? Radius will be 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Their height 20 centimeter. Height 20 centimeter. What they are asking? Find its curved surface area and total surface area. So already we know that the formula CSA of a cylinder. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Then, so what is the given value? It is a radius. It is a height. Height equal to 20 centimeter. Yes, we can apply 2 into 22 by 7 into R value 14 into H value 20. Yes, we have to cancel now. So for 7 table, it is a 1 time, it is a 2 time. Again, you should multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 22. 4 into 22 into 20. Yes, 4 into 22, we should multiply and get 88. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 into 20. Yes, we can multiply 88 into 20. 0, 0, 2 into 8, 16, 1, 16, 17. Finally, we'll get 671. 1760 centimeter square. Once again I reply. So find out the curved surface area and total surface area. So what is given? The given height of the cylinder and radius of the cylinder. Height is 20, radius will be 14. Yes, CS of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 20. You can cancel the value, get the 1760 centimeter square. Done. Example 7.2. Example 7.2. So remaining will be, we have find out the total surface area. We can see the next video, that is total surface area. You can do it yourself. That formula will be 2 pi R into H plus R. 2 pi R into H plus R. You can do it yourself. I will put the next video. Then example 7.2. So what is the given value? The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height is 14 centimeter. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the cylinder. Diameter of the cylinder. Yes. Now CSA. What is given? Given CS of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder. CS of a cylinder. So what is the given value? That is 88. 88 centimeter square. Yes. Also given height. Given height. H equal to 14 centimeter. So find out the first radius. Then the radius you should multiply with the tool, get the diameter. That is 2R equal to D. 2R equal to D. Therefore, formula will be, you can write 2 pi RH. Then area will be 88 centimeter square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R value, we don't know that, r into h value 14, that is equal to 88. We can cancel this one. It is a one time, it is a two time. Again 2, it is a one time, it is a 44. Then it is a one time, it is 22. Then both of cancel, 22 one time, 22 one time. Therefore r equal to 1, r equal to 1, r equal to 1, r equal to 1, that is radius equal to 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So already we know that 2r equal to diameter, d equal to 2r. So diameter, that is equal to, you should multiply 2 into 1, that is equal to 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Once again I explain one. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the cylinder. It is given curved surface area of a cylinder and given height, given height. So find out the diameter of the cylinder, diameter of the cylinder. Yes. Example 7.1, example 7.2. So already I told you TS of a cylinder. This is you have to do it yourself. Next one. Example 7.3. Example 7.3. So what is given? First you have to read the problem. A garden roller, the whose length is 3 meter long and the whose diameter is 2.8 meter, 2.8 meter, is rolled to level a garden. How much area will it cover? Its 8 revolutions. Once again read the question. A garden roller, the whose length is 3 meter, length is 3 meter, length is 3 meter long and the whose diameter is 2.8 meter, is rolled to level a garden. How much rolled to level a garden? How much area will it cover? It 8 revolutions. Yes, we can draw the roller. Simply draw the roller. Yes. So what is the first one? Length. Length we can identify that one. Height. It is height will be 3 meter. Height will be 3 meter. Yes, this one 3 meter. H equal to 3 meter. H equal to 3 meter. Then diameter will be given. Diameter D equal to, what is the value? 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter. Then what is our radius? R equal to D by 2, D by 2. Therefore 2.8 by 2, that is equal to 1.4 meter, 1.4 meter. Yes, area covered in the 1 revolution. We want to find out the 8 revolution. First you should find out the 1 revolution, then the value will be, you should multiply, will get 8. First you have to find out the area covered in 1 revolution. Yes, area covered in 1 revolution. One revolution. That is, we know that it is called curved surface area. So the 1 revolution, you can consider this one. 1 revolution, that is CS of a cylinder. CS of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder. That is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Yes. Already we know that the given radius and height. Yes. 2 into 22 by 7 into R value 1.4 into 3. You can cancel this one. It is a one time, it is a 0.2. 0.2. Yes, 0.2. Then you should multiply 2 into 22, 44 into 3 2s are 6, 0.6. You should multiply and get 26.4. 26.4. 26.4 centimeter, not a meter, meter square. So this is for one revolution. Area covered in one revolution. Area covered in one revolution. So what about 8 revolution? That is, you should multiply with 8. 8 into 26.4. So 8 into 8 multiplied by 26.4, you will get 211.2 meter square. Once again, I repeat the value and answer. Explain one more time. A garden roller, the course length is 3 meter. It is called, denote H. Then the course diameter is 2 meter. You can denote it is for radius, that is d equal to 2r. Rolled to level a garden, how much area will it cover in 8 revolution? That is the revolution meanings for, you can consider that one CS of a cylinder. CS of a cylinder. So what's the formula? Area covered in one revolution, that is equal to CSA of a cylinder. CS of a cylinder. The formula will be 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 3. You have to cancel this one, then get 44 into 0.6. 0.6 you should multiply and get 26.4 meter square. Again, it is for one revolution, it is for 8 revolution. It is for 8 revolution. It is for 8 revolution. Yes. Area for 8 revolution. Yes. Then next one, example 7.4.